Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I had a family emergency. I was just back home with my family. It was just kind of a scary and rough time, and I wasn't able to make any videos. My family is doing very well now. I am back home and now we're here. I hope you guys are staying safe. Please wear your mask, please social distance when you can, and yeah, let's get into this video. So today I'll be reviewing the Gymshark and Whitney Simmons collection. I know it's been a while since this came out. I ordered it when it launched, obviously that's why I have it. It was an experience because I never really had I was just nervous the whole time as I was putting everything in my cart that I wanted. Like my hands were sweaty and I was just kind of having an adrenaline rush. And I actually had everything that I wanted in my cart from the get-go, and then I clicked checkout, and then I got this error message saying, oh, blah, 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 item is out of stock. Please update your cart and continue checking out. And so I do that, and then again I'd get another error message, and then it was just I check out, error message, check out, error message, check out, error message. In my initial order, I had 4 leggings and 4 sports bras. And as you can see right here, I only have 3 leggings, a sports bra, and then I also ordered this gym bag, which I'm actually giving away. So stay tuned for that. My order is confirmed, and then I get an email saying that my order has shipped, and I'm like, oh, so cool. And so when my husband went to come visit me, because I went home with my parents because of the family emergency, he brought all my packages, because in my head I was like, oh, maybe I will record a video here and there while I'm in the trailer, because I was living in a trailer on my parents' property. My husband brought over my packages and stuff, and I got the Gymshark package, and I was super excited, and I opened it, and it was I was missing items. I was like, okay, this is not all I ordered. And so I double checked my order, and yeah, I was missing a pair of leggings and 3 sports bras. And I was like, what the heck? But I was still charged the full amount. So I had to email customer service, and they're really nice, and they responded within 24 hours, which is really cool. So their customer service was really nice. I give it a 4 dolphins up for sure. I had to fill out this form saying that I didn't receive my items that I purchased, and then they refunded me the money for the missing items. So that sucked, because I was like, I paid for these items. Why didn't I get them? And if I didn't get them, how come you didn't refund the money until I had to ask you for it or tell you that I didn't receive these items, you know? I don't know if it was probably a worker that just didn't put it in my package, or they just sold something that wasn't in stock. Anyway, that was my experience with Gymshark. I know you guys are like, we didn't even ask you, Sam. We didn't even ask you about your experience. And I was like,
well, I'm gonna tell you anyway. Here's my experience.
So anyway, now let's get into the actual review of the clothing. Let's get into this video. All right, so let's start off with this Cyber Red sports bra. I paid $40 for it. This is what it looks like in the front, and then the back. I do like the ring is more covered, so you don't see that gold metal ring anymore. It's covered with fabric, which I think is nice, because when I tried it on, I didn't even feel it on my back. I was kind of worried because I thought maybe it was gonna be kind of tight and I could kind of feel the metal on my back, but that was not the issue. It has the cute little gold plaque with Whitney Simmons' name cursive on it. I think it's super cute detailing. On the side of the front of the bra, on the left side, in cursive in the same color as the sports bra, it says, "It's a beautiful day to be alive." It has the quote that she always says on her YouTube videos. It has the Gymshark logo on the back. It has the ring that is covered more with fabric, super comfortable, did not feel it. I personally thought that it was gonna be kind of modest bra, because it does have a scoop neck on the front, but I was really surprised that it was very boobylicious. My girls were coming to say hi to everybody. I definitely think I needed a size up in this sports bra, because it is a little tight. In the back, I really like it. It's super comfortable. My back fat doesn't poke out, and it just smooths everything. I just feel like if I sized up, I would be more comfortable in the boob area. I wouldn't feel so pushed down and then kind of spilling over in the front. I got a size large in this, and I definitely feel like I should have sized up. Then I got the high-rise leggings. This is the moss green color, and just like in the sports bras, it does have her name in a gold plaque on the left waistband. It has 2 seams right here that continue on the back to give you like a nice curved seam to like kind of accentuate your butt and kind of lift it and make it like really perky. I really like this detail because I feel like it doesn't give me like a unibutt. It does have like a booty scrunch right there in the middle, which I can't really see because I stretch it out in the butt area. So, but I definitely feel like size large was perfect for me. And these cost $50. I also like that the little laser perforation detail right here in the middle is super cute. Also in the inside, it has her quote in the same color in the leggings. It says, "It's a beautiful day to be alive." Again, the leggings are buttery soft, super stretchy, and they are squat proof. And then I also got the pink Haze, which is like a mauve pink color. Again, exactly the same as the last one. It has the plaque on the side, the two seams on the front. It has a small booty scrunch in the middle. I really, really like this blue color. You don't really see this color of blue very often in like leggings, so I thought this was super, super pretty. And the last thing I got was this beautiful, beautiful gym bag. And it has the same gold design. It's not a plaque though, it's kind of like an applique that's on it. So I feel like if it gets wet or you wash it for some reason, it will wash away. I like that it has these gold detailings on the side here. And then same as a sports bra, it does have the middle ring here and it is gold. This is mesh, this part's mesh, and then the rest of it is like this, like, it almost feels like a thick sweater. So I am gonna be giving away this gym bag. So all you have to do to enter to win this beautiful Whitney Simmons gym bag, all you have to do is subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what your experience is with Gymshark if you've ever shopped with them. Did you have a good experience or did you have a bad one? Like, I'm really curious to know. I'm being a huge chismosa right now, and that's fine. But yeah, that's all you have to do. So I'm going to end the giveaway on Tuesday, December 22nd. So I can ship it out to whoever the winner is so they can receive their gym bag before Christmas. I think that would be nice, like getting a new gym bag as a Christmas present, you know? That'd be nice, right? Yeah. My final thoughts on the Gymshark and Whitney Simmons collection is that I actually really, really like it. Like, the material is super, super nice, buttery soft. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. The price point is pretty good. The leggings are $50. The quality is absolutely there. I was really impressed with the leggings for sure. The sports bra, I can go without. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and click that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I will be uploading next week, and don't forget to enter this giveaway. I hope you guys stay safe, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.